So, welcome. Let us now discuss mean deviation. So, mean deviation is one of the important topics, and Excel provides some help here, some but not all the help that we need. Let us see how. So, mean deviation, we are computing it from mean, and we want to put this value in this cell B12. So we will start by inserting equal to sign from the keyboard. Go to formulas and click on the function. Go to statistical function, and here we are. The first statistical function is AVEDEV. This function returns the average of absolute deviations of data points from their mean. Mean means arithmetic means, right? So this is what we want actually, and let's click here. And now this function, this statistical function, is asking for the numbers, which numbers we want to use here. Okay, so we are using this number. Let us select first group here and click OK. And this is mean deviation from arithmetic mean for first group. And if you want the same thing, mean deviation from arithmetic mean for second group, we have recently used this function, so this will be here. Let us click it and select the numbers this time. This time we want to compute it for the group 2 incomes, and here we have. So let us click the home tab, and let us decrease the decimal points to 3 decimal points. So it is 580.816. So from this we can conclude that variability of incomes in group 2 is higher than variability of income in group 1. That is a simple conclusion, and it is easy to make. But sometimes our research or our statistical analysis requires us to do little more, right? So here Excel does not help us. So we have to do some more calculations ourselves. How? For example, if I want coefficient of mean deviation for both the groups, then there is no statistical help available in Microsoft Excel. But we can calculate that. For that, what we will do, first of all, we will calculate the mean. Right? We know that from our previous discussions. Click the Formulas tab, go here, and in statistical function we compute the average, right? And it is the average of these numbers. So group 1 incomes, and here we go. We get the average of the 5 incomes given in group 1, which is $4,408. Now coefficient of average deviation, how would we compute that? It is actually mean deviation divided by this mean deviation number, right? Divided by the mean, right? So, and I can click enter here, or I can press enter on the keyboard. So the coefficient of average deviation is 0.056. And the same thing we can do for the group 2 also, right? So in that case, we have to compute the arithmetic mean or average of all the incomes in group 2. First, we will start with that. And here we go. What numbers we are using? All these numbers here from C2 to C8, and here we have this average of 4464 point, and again reduce the decimal points to 3 decimal points, 4464.268. And same way, if we want, we can calculate the coefficient of average deviation here, because coefficient of average deviation is what? It is the mean deviation from mean, and then we will divide it by the actual mean of the series. Click enter and we get this value. So here we see that a very interesting conclusion we can make here, that mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation from mean for group 1 is 0.056, whereas for group 2 it is 0.130. So we can say the variability of incomes in group 1 is less than variability of incomes in group 2. So that is a very interesting conclusion. Thank you.